Good day everyone, welcome to AceChannel. I'm inviting everyone to please watch, like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel AceChannel. And also don't fail to hit the notification bell down there for you to be notified in the future for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day guys. God bless. I'm cooking beef soup, or in Filipino it's nilagang baka. Yan na po, with all the ingredients, and because I am just alone, just a few cuts of beef, and I already have this pechay. This is just a DIY cooking. Oh, I smell it. I smell it. It's like it's yummy. You're going to cook until the meat is tender. Guys, it's now ready to eat. That's the finished product and looks yummy. That's it guys. Yoo-hoo, yummy beef soup.